Hey guys, I am Torchwood and today we are watching Black Lightning. This episode is called, what is this episode called? I don't know what even happened last time. Revelations. Lady Eve's dead. That was quite a big shock. She's dead. Lala is alive somehow? I don't quite know. And that lady's head went on his face. I forgot what the lady was called, but she got shot by Lala. So, I don't know. This episode is called Revelations. Let's go. This will be my last video I'm filming today, thank goodness, because I'm so tired. Let's go.
I think he hiding behind that man. Cause he know he tripping, man. Like,
damn, this is so cool. Ooh.
But Lady Eve? That's wrong, man.
Got you, old man. Yeah.
Urban mix.
Oh. Stealth, Vanessa.
I don't see him as no damn hero. He's worse than these crooked-ass police in Freeland.
Damn.
I feel like wherever he was before he came back, that's where he should have stayed.
Didn't actually see that he wasn't.
True.
Look,
Cannot be.
Our goal is to stop crime and violence with no harm to civilians, even if we don't appreciate their worldview.
You want us to learn?
Can't be reactive. Going around smashing whatever statues you feel like, picking fights with punks from Garfield. No, you have to be
Texting with your friends.
But you should.
So what's up with Dad and Alyssa?
Oh.
What do you mean? You haven't
She's
noticed?
so clever.
They're acting really weird.
So clever. So
They're
clever.
mad at each other and tell me why. Now it seems like they're 98 and 2, but sharing some kind of secret. Something's going on.
Everything's fine. Families go through stuff. It's normal. Wait, did you see any old papers in here?
Huh?
On yellow legal pages. They were kind of crumpled.
Still no.
They're all gone.
What's going on?
Lichtenberg scarring.
Okay.
It's a fractal pattern that occurs when electricity passes through an insulating material.
This is more of
Right.
a burn, like it was caused by a high voltage flash.
So this was caused by some kind of a weapon?
I believe
Yeah,
so.
looks like
Black
it.
Lightning's never killed anyone, so I understand how the coroner wouldn't know what kind of wound pattern you might create.
How much power would a weapon like this take?
1 billion joules.
Bloody Nora.
Why would you do that in something portable?
With nuclear power.
You can track radio.
Now. I'm serious. Keisha, please.
Oh, oh, oh. Well, welcome Jennifer to the party.
Okay, I'm fine. Damn, girl, you dropped your phone. Yeah, scared you were gonna break your neck.
No. Hey, now you got an excuse to get in the way. I'm thinking maybe I should change my slogan. I bounce so our class money won't have to.
Well. Jennifer's joined the party. How is the
ass home.
So when they come for you, you gonna kill them too?
Oh shit.
I might. But they won't come for me.
I don't think you should wait. I don't trust them. Especially that one. You definitely should kill him right.
She's an angel. I think.
I see the wisdom in that.
You will be in my prayers, Mr. Gamby.
Oh, thank
In
you.
my prayers.
Thank you, Mrs. Johnson.
Can I be in your prayers too, Mrs. Johnson? You watch Mrs. Johnson be like the MVP, badass, evil, bad person at the end. She's gonna kill all these people in a second.
So, when did you realize you had
Could have
powers?
happened.
How long until you decided to become Black Lightning?
Oh, I did a few things here and there, but it took me a while before I committed and got the suit.
Why'd you stop all those years?
It's complicated.
Mom, right?
That's between me and her.
Which is a yes.
Ah,
Ask your mother, yes. So who trained you?
Gabby, fighting and tactics. Even before I knew I had powers.
And why is he so mad at you right
No,
now?
he's not mad. He's worried. That's how he gets when I don't do what he wants me to.
yep.
Sarcastic Italian. That's how he shows his love.
Sarcastic.
Wait, hold on. It should be right around here.
Hot damn! Jen's going to the party and she's ready to party.
I'll be right there.
Gamby, it's Lynn. Take your time. I was hoping you could help me with something.
Have a talk with him. Excuse me, Lynn.
Oh,
Okay.
fuck.
Finally realized the most important part of a stakeout.
Go to the bathroom first.
That would have helped a lot more than all of your "you're gonna die" talk.
You might die.
Whoa, 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 Dad. There's somebody over there. Wait.
I told you.
Oh, holy shit.
I could tell. He didn't know that those weapons
I just got blown to literal pieces and you two are
I spent all this time telling her she had to anticipate danger or she'd die. And then I failed to anticipate danger and almost get myself killed. She has to understand her powers, and I can help her with that.
Uh-oh.
But I was trying to change her. Her understanding of people, her desire to protect. I have to be very careful not to screw that up. Not just because she saved my life. She saved my life.
Aw, Jefferson.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm rambling. Endorphins.
But it's all gonna be okay.
No! No, you don't make out with a ghost of the dead woman you killed. He was definitely dead. Oh. Yeah, well, you shouldn't have been such a little shit, should you?
The head of the ASA for this area is looking for you. And I can't stop him. If you use your powers, you go out in the suit, he will find you. And they will kill you.
Fuck me.
And they will find Anissa. And they will kill her too. I'm sorry, Jefferson, but you have to stop being Black Lightning.
Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from my family.
Damn, Gamby, you gone fucked up.
Jen, whatever it is, I don't have time for it. Are you pregnant?
No. No, but something weird is definitely going on.
Okay. What, you broke your phone?
No, Anissa, look at the edges. I did that. With my hands.
This is like, ah, crap, we got another one. Another one. Oh my god, I'm finished reacting. I've done it all. I've done it all. Yeah. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I don't really know what's going on anymore in this show, but I love it anyway. It's so great, and yeah, that was really good. Actually, that was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. This has been my existential. This has been my. Hang on, sorry. I'm having a weird moment. Oh, something's gone wrong. I don't know what's happening. Okay, this has been Black Lightning. I hope you've enjoyed it. I know I have. It has been aces. Aces, aces, aces. I love you lots like jelly tots, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.